Hello guys, welcome to the video of Health Spot. Having a great head of hair adds a lot of points to your personality. They uplift your appearance and boost your confidence. Having a hair dilemma keeps you constantly distracted, but the fix is very straightforward. When using Clove for hair, ensure they are of the best quality, organically produced, and responsibly sourced. If you expose your hair and skin to unhealthy oils, they could cause more damage than good. The use of organic oils ensures nutrition and zero additives. The most crucial conflict of hair fall is the chemicals in your hair products, and the exposure to unruly climate and conditions. Using unsafe oils on your hair will further damage the follicles, and cause skin disorders. Using organic oils also ensures better health for the planet. In this video, we will tell you 6 reasons to use clove oil on hair, and how to use clove oil for hair growth. Before going into video, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. 1. Control hair fall. Hair fall occurs when the follicles turn weak, or the scalp fails to reach its adequate nutrition. The use of clove oil for hair loss treatments has proven even to delay balding and hair thinning. Applying a small amount of clove oil, without any mixtures, to the balding spots on your head, will stimulate the growth of hair and revive dead follicles. They also provide a better hair shaft and control unwanted hair fall from brushing and washing. 2. Get rid of dandruff. Dandruff is primarily caused because the unhealthy greases from your scalp accumulate, and cause a dry skin buildup. When you use shampoo, they wash away this dry skin, but it does not provide any preventive qualities. Since clove oil is rich in beta-carotene, it boosts the tissues under your scalp and heightens blood flow. They also provide abundant and long-lasting moisture locks for your hair. Ideally, you can add a few drops of clove oil with your shampoo when you wash your hair. This process provides you a clean wash, and helps retain your scalp's moisture for a longer time. 3. Fight scalp irritations. This brings us to our next benefit. The dry scalp does not only cause dandruff, but also the leading cause for scalp irritation. When the scalp remains dry for a long duration, it tends to injure or peel away the soft surface of your head. This peeling or accumulation leads to itching and irritation. Using clove oil for hair massage will reduce this pain. Since they possess antimicrobial and antifungal properties, it replenishes your skin. The chemical eugenol, present in clove oil, is also an excellent antiseptic that heals any rashes. They also fight scalp disorders like dermatitis, scalp pruritus, etc. 4. Avoid premature graying. A phenomenon that is typical post the age of 32 is not attacking younger adults, gray hair. Premature graying is because of the change in lifestyle, air quality, and exposure to chemicals. In some cases, this could also result from hormonal or hereditary reasons. You can use clove oil for hair rejuvenation in an effortless way. Make a mixture of 1 part of clove oil mixed with 3 parts of organic eucalyptus oil. Massage this to your hair and scalp at least 2 times a week to slow down hair graying. 5. Better for hair growth. The most common way to stimulate hair growth is by altering your shampoo? Well, that is far from the truth. The roots of your hair stimulate hair growth. By providing them rich nutrition, you will surely gain better hair density. Clove oil for hair gain is a proven fact. These oils act as a natural remedy, free from any form of additives and perfumes. Vital vitamins help improve the growth of your locks. Additionally, using clove oil to massage your scalp will enhance blood circulation, and secure oxygen supply to your roots and follicles. 6. Adds to your tresses. Loss of moisture makes your curls appear dehydrated, brittle, and lifeless. Clove oil offers a deep conditioning effect to your rough hair strands, and lends the much-needed shine to your dull tresses. This spicy oil restricts the chances of hair damage, and helps to cut down frizz and split ends. Applying clove oil on your hair shaft ensures that your hair feels smooth and manageable. For best results, opt for an overnight anti-frizz treatment by massaging a blend of warm coconut oil and clove oil into your scalp and hair before going to bed. Rinse off the oils the next morning with lukewarm water and shampoo. Follow this remedy once a week to get super shiny, stunning hair naturally. These were the benefits of clove oil for hair. Now comes to How to use clove oil for hair growth. One of the 6 beauty benefits of clove oil is that you can stimulate the hair follicles using clove oil. Just mix about 3 to 5 drops of clove oil into 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Apply it to your scalp. Massage your scalp gently for about 5 minutes. Wash your hair after half an hour with your regular shampoo. If you know any other factor that can cause hair loss, please comment below. Please take a moment to click the thumbs up button and share this information with your family and friends. Consider subscribing if you are new to the channel. Stay healthy.